I am at a beach once again. As you can see behind me over here, it is Santa Monica to the south. This may be my last beach hunt of the year, we'll see. It's getting late in the year. I got like less than a week left. Anyway, hopefully I have some good luck today. Worked my way out from the parking lot and found a bunch of bottle caps and pull tabs, so if that's the way it's gonna be, so be it. Very nice day out. It's a medium crowd. Traffic was real light getting here. Got a nice signal right here. Basically a quarter signal. I found 1 quarter and 2 chopped up pennies so far. And the rest have been bottle caps and pull tabs. Ooh, I got a coin. And it's not a quarter. I got another $1. That's a nice way to get going here. So, a little tore up from the sand, but $1 nonetheless. Sweet. Well, since Christine's not here, it is not cupcake money. I won't tell her. I just pulled up a jumpy signal here and I thought it was a coin, then I saw the rust and then I thought it was a ring. So if it's a ring, it's just a blinger, but I can't really, well, let's see here. I am gonna go with a rusty ring. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Got a ring. Hopefully it'll clean up a little bit better than that, but that's what it looks like. Yeah, got some shine in the backside. That's been there a while. See the rust mark in there. Cool. All right, getting a jumpy bunch of numbers here. I'm hoping that it's coins and not just trash. It's all over the place. 15 to 31, so either a coin spill or just trash. Just gonna shake a little bit out of time here and see if I can get anything. Not that time. At least I don't think. There's the 30 right there. Not really sure if it's deep or not, but not doing so good. Let me nose around the pinpointer. I don't have a little shovel, so okay, there we go. Really bad quarter. We'll set that right there for a second. What is that? I'm not really sure. It looks like maybe the end of a clippers, fingernail clippers or something there. Might have to scoop this with. All kinds of little pieces. Not really sure. Just more junk. That's 3 pieces down here. All right, got a quarter out of it and 2 pieces of junk. At least I think it's a quarter. It's in pretty bad shape. All right, got another 17 here. I like, it's jumping around a little bit, but primarily 17. And it definitely was only 1 tick down, so, and I got it. Whoa. What is this? It's a dog tag looking thing. God grant me, okay, I can't read the whole thing, but that's a religious dog tag. Wow, that is really cool. Nice. I think I'm on my third or fourth tent stake. This one's sticking out pretty good right in the side here. Today I'm not quite as excited about finding them because I'm finding them, if that makes any sense. But they're out here and they're giving themselves up to me. I think that's 4 now. Well, I was getting a 12 right here, and I dug something up here. Huh. Plastic. That's sharp. Well, we're not going to keep that, I guess. Fortunately, I'm right near a garbage can, so we'll throw it away, but I'm not really sure what that was. I'm sure it's some sort of a toy. So I just uncovered a Charlie card, and it is for the Massachusetts Bay Transportation Authority. Wow, that's a little bit lost, I would say. Oh goodness, just got another nice piece off the beach. And that would ruin one of these kids' days. There's a bunch of kids behind me running around too. Well, I went to shovel a target, and this is what I got. So there must be a lid to it somewhere. Lovely. I was getting a 20 over here along the walkway. Kind of heading over to the restroom. Hey, take a break. And I got a key. Well, I just had a little bit of a, I guess it's a coin spill. I had a nickel, a dime, and a penny in that little area here. And now I'm moving up in the world. Looks like a 30 maybe. So there's a nice little amount of change right here. Or not. I'm going to use the pinpointer on this one. There it is. Not too bad, but hopefully there's more right here. I'm going to keep checking. Figure it's all in the same general area, so you never know. I think I got it all though. Check where the shovel is next. Yeah, 4 coins, not bad. Alright, just dug up this hole and I saw it somewhere here. Saw rust anyway. Ah, look at this. Ring number 2 is corroded, so it's not going to be anything special. Well, getting corroded rings, can't complain. I guess it's better than nothing. Got a lot closer to the pier over here, so pretty busy out here. All right, I'm under the pier getting some shade, getting a 20, 21, 22, probably just a penny. See if I got that out of there or not. Still there. It's nice and cool under here. It's got actually kind of warm out today. not sure I got it. I think it's still there. That further away this time. Stubborn. It's deeper than I thought. I'll take a couple shovelfuls here. All right, now it's out. Be right here. Playing hard to get, but I got it. And it's just a penny. All right, it's getting later, and I just gotta find out here in the surf. I've had a few pennies, haven't filmed them because it's been too hard to do one-handed. I was too close to the waves. So we'll see if I can get this one out. Probably just a dime. Let's see here. Still there. $25, it's more than likely a dime. Got it. All right, I'm gonna drag this stuff up here a little bit. All right, we got. So, let's see. There it is. Yeah, just a dime. It's fresh drop. Here comes the water. Well, I was heading back to the truck, which I'm getting close to, and I had a signal here. I thought it was gonna be another penny, but I think it's right here. Couldn't find it. You can see my piles here, trying to find this thing. It is a butterfly, bent over earring. So, yes, I think it's a butterfly. Anyway, it could be another insect, but At least I found a piece of jewelry on the way out. It's been kind of a slow day. Alrighty, this was a brutal hunt. I spent like 4, maybe even 5 hours here at the beach. I threw away probably 70, if I had to estimate, 70 bottle caps. I kept throwing away every time I passed a garbage can. That's the last of them right there. Plenty of tent stakes and batteries. Got a lot of batteries and a lot of rusted bolts and stuff. The surface find let you out. Lighter, got a plug, USB. Let's see, I got a key, 2 rings. They are in really bad shape. I got this dog tag religious saying on it. I'll get a good shot of that when I get a chance to clean it up. I got this Massachusetts Transportation Authority Charlie card. I got the numbers covered up in a vape. Dug that thing up. Got $1 coin and total, well over $3 and change. It was a lot of work. I dug a lot of these out of the surf. I found a penny line, it seems like, in the surf, but hey, I just want to go here and have some fun. Just enjoying my beautiful day out here. Found a little spot to stand, but it's getting late, and my arm is killing me. It's about all I can swing today. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.